Here we have an Orwak dual chamber compactor. We got it hooked up to 125 volts, and we're gonna run it. Before we run it here, I'm gonna show you the chambers. Basically, they're both the same, and it's got a lever over here on the side where once you got a bail, you can tilt that over to remove the bail. Okay, and then we're gonna roll this one down there from this side here. Okay, we're gonna slide it over and do the same thing here. Okay, that is the Orwak dual chamber compactor.